Russ did it perfectly when he came up and introduced me at first. First of all, I want to thank you all for the opportunity to be here. And I want to point out, I am an engineer, so I'm a little bit out on the skinny branches of the tree when I'm doing things like this. But my name is Marcia Geldert Murphy. I'm the president of the American Society of Civil Engineers, or ASCE, the other acronym. But my company is also a member of APWA and ACEC too, so we're a good family here. ASCE has been around since 1852. We are the oldest engineering professional association. We've got over 160,000 members in 177 countries. So we have a very broad reach as well. ASCE has developed codes and standards and manuals of practice and policies that are advocating to advance our natural built environment and also protecting the public's health and safety. The Mountain Parkway extension is a perfect example of civil engineers and policy leaders coming together to improve the livelihoods of all Kentuckians. And I want to thank you, Governor Beshear, because this is a program that is needed and desperately needed throughout our country. Your leadership and support through the Better Kentucky initiative is an excellent demonstration of how states are prioritizing the infrastructure systems and workforce that we've all been talking about that we need more, that will ensure the public health and safety and the future generations. We often refer to major infrastructure projects like this as an investment, meaning that is not just money spent. We can expect something in return for this program and for this investment. That's exactly what Mountain Parkway Extension is. It's an investment. And it's an investment in Kentucky commuters so that they can feel more secure traveling on modernized roads. Communities can connect with ease. And now that the Parkway connects different regions in the state, they can connect more easily. And the Parkway connects from an economic standpoint as well. Goods and services can move more freely, generating commercial gains for the state. And we all saw recently within the last few years how importantly it is that we can move goods and services more freely and easily. It's extremely important to everyone, not just Kentuckians, but all of America. Every 4 years, ASCE releases a macroeconomic study that analyzes the infrastructure investments on the U.S. economy. Our next report, titled Bridging the Gap, is going to be released in April of this year. It will account for all of the recent federal legislation to advance infrastructure and state-led initiatives as well. These projects like these can only strengthen our country's economy, and that's the whole point of us coming here as a group, is to help everyone understand these projects, these initiatives, this work that has been led by Governor Beshear and many of the governors in our country are important for our country's economy. And we are so grateful for your continued efforts here, and we greatly appreciate the opportunity to be here to celebrate this very important project. Thank you.